In the year of 1957, Little Rock Nine approached a conflict with diversity in education. The 9 black brave students had so much hate towards them because of their skin color. They were spit on, called horrible names, threatened, and beaten. To the whites, they were still considered as slaves. But look at the 9 students. They did it. They accomplished. They achieved. They graduated from all the hard times. From then on, racial diversity has increased. We are getting more and more different cultures in a classroom at a time. Tricia Murphy, principal of Whitesville Elementary, believes her school is more transient.
In the history of Whitesville, when you got your students at the beginning of the year, you pretty much kept the same class size. Yeah. You didn't see a lot of kids move in and out, and now we're starting to see some of that transient population. Some will move in, some will move out, that type of thing. So I think it's definitely changing. I feel like it's increasing, and I also feel like some of the new students that we're getting are coming with greater needs for sure.
From the year 2004 through 2014, diversity has increased over 75%. Students are learning about each other. Teachers see different learning and understanding between each student. At Whitesville Elementary, teachers take the time to teach, play, and understand each child. In this picture, Miss Doty is taking the time to teach a lesson through dancing.
Socially, I think we're teaching kids to all live in the world together. Since we don't have a large majority of ethnic diversity, it's a little bit different. I also think at the elementary age, kids don't really start to notice the differences between one another. But I think as kids go into middle school, it becomes such a social problem because you start to see groups of students forming together and one group kind of being against another group and those types of things. The other thing I talk about a lot in elementary is, being a social problem of just trying to do everything we can to sort of break the cycle of poverty. We try to sit down and meet with parents at times and talk to parents about, how important their child's education is, and sometimes the parent doesn't value that. They maybe didn't finish school, and so it's difficult to get them on our side sometimes if they don't really see, they don't look at themselves obviously as being unsuccessful, and they see it as, hey, I've got a job and I may be working paycheck to paycheck and I'm making it just fine. So I think that's probably the social problem of just breaking the cycle is something that I think it's difficult.